how to fix iOS 26.4.1 not installing. So if you want to update your software to the latest version but you're not being able to, the first thing that might be the issue is with your storage. So first check that. Get to your settings and then from here scroll down, tap on general. After doing that, tap on iPhone storage, and in here you can see even my storage has almost become full. In order to download the latest version, I think it takes about 486 to 700 MB of your storage. So make sure that you have that much of your storage in iPhone. If your iPhone storage is full, you can try to delete some of the applications or photos from your phone in order to install the latest version. So if your storage is not the issue, then it might be the issue with your network or Wi-Fi. So make sure that your Wi-Fi or network is running smoothly. In order to check that, you can simply try to open any other medias and check it like that. So after making sure these two things are intact, if it's still not working, then you can try to restart your phone. You can simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and then keep pressing on your power button until you see Apple logo. Then you can release the button and within few minutes your phone will be restarted. Then you can simply put your passcode of your phone and unlock your phone and try to update your software. So if it's still not working, then you can try to reset all of your network settings. For that, again, get to your settings, get to the main settings first, and from here again you'll have to tap on general, and from general scroll all the way down, then you can tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Then all you need to do is tap on reset network settings and then enter your passcode of your phone. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on reset network settings and all of your network settings will be reset. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your software update will be available, and like that you'll be able to update your software of iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.